We will try to answer the last question, the last section of question number 1. We have seen how the graphs look like of Tetero and Schreifers and the intersection and so on. So the last question asked us to figure out when is the tariffs of both companies will differ by exactly €7.50. And there is a hint that there are two possibilities. How could there be two possibilities? So if we look at the graph, you see here at some point before 6 hours, Tetero, the blue one, is actually going to charge you more expensive. And after 6 hours, if it is longer than 6 hours, then Schreifers, the pink one, is actually more expensive. The pink line is on top of the blue line after 6 hours. So we can see here that the difference in price is this part here. So how big this is. And you are asked to figure out at which hour. So this is the question. At which hour the difference in tariff is going to be exactly €7.50. So this could happen at two places. So here, difference of 750 with Tetero, the blue line, the blue company is going to be more expensive. And there is another part here after a certain number of hours, which we don't know yet. The difference in price will also be exactly 750. However, in this case, the pink company Schreifers will be 750 more expensive. We will use our calculator to do this. We have actually entered the equations of the two companies in apps function, and this is where we have those two equations. And when you press plot, you could actually see this is how it looks like. And now what we will do is we are going to compare the two tables of values of the blue and the red graphs. So don't forget the blue one was Tetero and the red one was Schreifers. So we will press the table, numeric setup, numeric view here, this button. And you can see function 1 and function 2. And the x values are the number of hours. You can see there that we have negative values for x, which is not realistic. And every step you go, it's 0.1 hour, which probably is not so useful for us either. So what we could do, we can change the setup of this table. So we can press shift and then num, which is a setup. And we can say the numeric view will start from 0, let's say. And the number of steps every time is just 1 unit, which is hour in this case, so 1 hour each. So if we press the numeric view again, the table, then we can see now that the table is a bit more organized easily. So here, for instance, at 0 hour, then with company 1, Tetero, you will have to pay €30, and with company 2, €15. After 1 hour of repair, with company 1, you will have to pay €50, and with company 2, 37.5. So we are going to see when the difference of prices, of tariffs, will be exactly 750. So at how many hours it will be a difference of €7.50. So we can see here after 3 hours, with company 1 you pay 90 and with company 2 82.5. So meaning it's 7.5 difference. So we see there that company 1 Tetero will be more expensive by 750 at 3 hours. At 3 hours, we can write it like this. Tetero will be more expensive by 7.5. So we add 7.5 here to the pink one. So in that case, this will be more of obviously by 7.5 compared to the pink formula. So then in this case, we check just now with the calculator that will be at 3 hours of repair. So the answer will be after 3 hours. However, we also have another case where it will be more expensive to use the second company Shrivers. So in this case, the formula will look like something like this. So meaning that the pink one, Shrivers, will be more expensive by 750. And then in the table, we will just have to scroll down and see where else the difference in price will be 7.5 exactly. So you see here at 6 hours, it's consistent with our answer before. At 6 hours, both companies will charge the same amount, which is 150 euros. So if you scroll down a bit more and compare all the prices, we will notice that at 9 hours, you pay 210 with the first company and 217.5 with the second company, which means a difference of 7.5 euros. So it is at 9 hours that you will pay 7.5 more with Shrivers than with Tetero. So this is how you can use your graphics calculator to answer this question. I hope it's clear. Good luck!